Salamah, children of Israel. This will be a short movie. Updates about that channel, about our doing. I've brought our brother Bantu into the game, so we will discuss many things here in that channel. As you know me, I am very skilled. The Most High blessed me with many languages, so now I will go not so often on my channel online, because I have to help a lot of people that are sick as well. And also in our community, many people are writing that needs prophecies, medical helps. They have problems with persecution, etc. And I am here for you for that. So I will go to prayers and do my best to help. And you're not the only one. And I have people from Portugal. I have people from the Americas. I have people from the Germany. I have people from the Africa and etc. So in France, I have a big community in France. So I made some videos about Corona and all these things. So I have to. At this moment, I am spiritual very high, because I do a lot of things in the spiritual. I do many spiritual fights. Yes, you can contact us. I think Kojo will help you. It's a good he will help you, and if he cannot help, then contact me. Then I will help. Then I will do the rest. No problem. And yes, we are here for you. 24 hours. 24 hours. You can contact us on our email addresses. Yes, I will do my sacrifices for you, so that I will talk to everyone, as best I can. Yes, I am also preparing a page. The page is already done. Actual News is the name. Actual News. You will see this page next week lately. So in this page, this will be a community page for the Bantu people. So that no outside the government, so that we can do sharings. Everyone can find each other. People that has people that are solo, they have no women, mans, they can find each other. And also the communication will be there. We can share things like in Facebook. It will be an amazing page. I'm working on it. Yes. So I'm working on some things. We will be there so that we go back to the truth. Even we will invite people to come with us to Africa and all these things. So I will work everything properly step by step. Yeah, I will bring even some people from Benin, from Nigeria in some of our movies, so that you can see the differences. So I will prepare the going back to Wakanda. Okay, and I will prepare some soldiers that will come with me to fight these people in the government. Okay, so I'm here and I will do my best, really, to sustain you with every problem you have, every single problem. I will be there for you. But I will also preach. Yeah, this it's my channel. So I will also preach. Yeah, powerful things will come. Powerful, and let's do it together. And every idea that you have, yeah, I'm not here to take ideas from you. No, my gift is to help. So every kind of idea, every kind of problem that you have, come with it to me. Yeah, so we will pray for it and we will find a solution how you can make your dream true. Okay, there is so many things people can do, and sometimes people does not know how they can start. Okay, and there's with one hand you can never wash your face, never. So brothers and sisters, you're welcome. Yeah, because brother Kojo will come online now in 20 minutes, and I hope you will enjoy what he will say. I will be there on Saturdays and other days if I find some times to work. And yes, if something is wrong, say it loud. It is very important. We are one family. I always told you, yeah, that we will be the light of the world. These people, all these nations will come to us. They will bow down in front of us. They will call us Zion. They will do everything for us. You are the future. You have the land of milk and honey. You have the wisdom. These people are afraid now. If you go to their cities, there is nothing left. These people, hey, we struggle years over years in Africa. But we do not die. We are here. But those people, a little epidemic, this epidemic will go. The Most High already revealed. This will not stay so long. After that, they will start it again. They will not even understand what happened. But we are smarter. The Most High has shown His people, look what I can do with them in seconds. What comes if I am angry? What will I do with those people? So prepare yourself to buy lands, to do agriculture, to establish the kingdom of Yah. You people have learned too much outside there. Every one of you has skilled people outside there. Everyone needs the other one. We will be strong in the name of the Mashiach, Isaiah Kongo. You understand? We are one people. These people needs us. We never needed them. Okay? So if you are prepared and you put everything on the ground, yeah, everything. I told you 2021 it will be coming better crash than that what you're seeing now. I told you, you must be prepared. Prepared. And this is it. I told you, the shops of them are empty. Scared people. They think the Messiah will come from heaven now. But if you are smart, you know the first time it's 1,000 years period will come. These people will flee to Africa. These people will rebuild Africa. They will be slaves. Brothers and sisters, it is good to know the truth. Because you know the truth, you are prepared. These people, they are afraid, they do not know anything, where this epidemic come from, what is going on. But you are prepared. You have the land of milk and honey. You have He blessed you even with the color. He blessed you with everything. Everything what will happen, the prophets will tell you that 2 months earlier. Yeah? So now it's time to where no single Gentile can come to our kingdom if he is not pure. No single one. And if he enter, he will be the shoe. Yeah? He will be the shoe and we will be the head here. It's time. It's time to show them who we are. But in truth and in spirit. Salamah. Enjoy Kojo Bantil. Like I told you, we have books, we have t-shirts, we have. I will do everything for the community to do my best so that people, will be united with us. The pages are coming, and brothers and sisters, the next step will be to go to our land. And I tell you, some of us will not coming back. Some of us that will go back there will say, I will never go back to these Americas or somewhere else. And I'm preparing the city of Yah. Salam! And I hope I will see you soon.